Hi, friends, I'm Kevin. Do you want to speak English on the phone with confidence? Today, we'll learn 5 easy phone conversations for everyday life. Let's get started. Scene 1, Spotting a Scam Call. A woman receives a phone call from someone pretending to be from a delivery company.
Hello, this is Global Delivery. You have a package waiting.
Oh, I didn't order anything.
There's a small problem. We need your full name, address, and credit card number to deliver it.
Wait, why do you need my credit card?
It's just a small fee, only $2. Don't worry.
No, thank you. This sounds strange. I'm not giving you any information.
But if you don't pay now, your package will be returned.
I'm hanging up. Please don't call again. That was a scam call. They tried to trick me. Never give personal information on the phone.
Key phrases. I didn't order anything. I didn't order anything. Why do you need my credit card? Why do you need my credit card? This sounds strange. This sounds strange. I'm not giving you any information. I'm not giving you any information. I'm hanging up. I'm hanging up. That was a scam call. That was a scam call. Scene 2, Making an appointment. A patient calls a doctor's office to make an appointment.
Good morning, Dr. Lee's office. How may I help you?
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'd like to make an appointment to see the doctor.
Sure, Sarah. What is the reason for your visit?
I've had a sore throat for a few days.
I see. Are you a new patient or a returning patient?
I'm a new patient.
Okay, we have an opening on Thursday at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I have to work on Thursday morning. Do you have anything later that day?
Let me check. Yes, we also have a 3 p.m. slot on Thursday.
That's perfect. I'll take the 3 p.m. appointment.
Great. Please arrive 15 minutes early and bring your health card.
Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you on Thursday.
Bye.
Key phrases. I'd like to make an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment. What is the reason for your visit? What is the reason for your visit? We have an opening on Thursday at 10 a.m. We have an opening on Thursday at 10 a.m. Please arrive 15 minutes early. Please arrive 15 minutes early. Do you have anything later that day? Do you have anything later that day? I'll take the 3 p.m. appointment. I'll take the 3 p.m. appointment. Scene 3, Calling a friend. Anna calls her friend Jason to make plans for the weekend.
Hello?
Hi, Jason. It's Anna.
Oh, hey, Anna. What's up?
Not much. I was wondering, are you free this Saturday?
I think so. Why?
Do you want to go see a movie?
That sounds fun. What movie?
How about the new superhero movie?
Yeah, I've been wanting to see that.
Great! The 2 p.m. show is perfect.
Cool. Should we meet at the mall?
Yes, let's meet at 1:30 near the ticket counter.
Got it. See you Saturday.
Awesome. Bye.
Bye.
Key phrases. Are you free this Saturday? Are you free this Saturday? Do you want to go see a movie? Do you want to go see a movie? That sounds fun. That sounds fun. How about the new superhero movie? How about the new superhero movie? Let's meet at 1:30. Let's meet at 1:30. See you Saturday. See you Saturday. Scene 4. Calling the office. A man calls a company to speak with an employee named Mr. Davis.
Good afternoon. Green Tech Solutions. How may I help you?
Hi, this is Alex Chen. May I speak to Mr. Davis, please?
One moment, please. I'll check if he's available. I'm sorry, Mr. Davis is in a meeting right now.
Oh, I see. Can I leave a message?
Of course.
Please tell him Alex Chen called about the project update. He can call me back at 555 1234.
Got it. I'll make sure he gets the message.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Key phrases. May I speak to Mr. Davis, please? May I speak to Mr. Davis, please? One moment, please. One moment, please. I'm sorry, he's in a meeting. I'm sorry, he's in a meeting. Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message? He can call me back at 555-1234. He can call me back at 555-1234. I'll make sure he gets the message. I'll make sure he gets the message. Scene 5. Calling in sick. Emily calls her boss early in the morning to report that she is sick and won't be coming to work.
Hello, this is Mr. Carter.
Hi, Mr. Carter. This is Emily. I'm calling to let you know I'm not feeling well today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on?
I have a fever and a sore throat, so I think I should stay home and rest.
That's understandable. Please take care of yourself.
Thank you. I'll keep you updated and let you know when I'm feeling better.
Sounds good. Just send me a quick message later to confirm.
Will do. Thanks again.
No problem, Emily. Get well soon.
Thanks. Bye.
Key phrases. I'm not feeling well today. I'm not feeling well today. I have a fever and a sore throat. I have a fever and a sore throat. I think I should stay home and rest. I think I should stay home and rest. I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated. Get well soon. Get well soon. Great job. Now you know how to make a phone call in English. Try these conversations in real life. Thanks for watching Practical ESL Conversations. See you next time.